One of the biggest struggles with social media is having to create content for all of the different platforms, especially if you're on all of the different platforms. One of the great things about Canva is it's got a handy resize tool, so you can really easily recreate the same thing so that it's the right size for different platforms. So we're going to work with this lipsticks thing again, this lipsticks post again. And what I'm going to do is I've made this post, here it is, brilliant, but I want to resize that because actually I don't want to use it on Instagram. I want to use it on Facebook or I want to use it on a story. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this resize button and then I'm going to choose what I want to post it on instead. So let's say that rather than using it here, I'd like to use it as a Facebook post. So I'm just going to copy and resize and it's going to make a copy that is in the perfect dimensions for Facebook, which that looks okay, but let's say I want to do a bit of customization to make it look better because actually those images need to be a little bit bigger because of that. So we can just stretch them out and actually let's make this writing a bit bigger too. Yeah, that's much better. I'm going to have it there. You know what? I think just the word lipsticks needs to be much bigger on this one. So I'm going to highlight it and I'm just going to change the size of it. So let's make it 62. That should do it. You know what? It could be bigger still. Let's make it 80. Lovely. So we've really quickly resized that for Facebook. Now that wasn't massively different, but what if we wanted to resize this to get it ready for a story or for your something else? So all you do is hit resize and then we're going to scroll down and find what we're looking for. Should we go for an Instagram story? Because obviously that's going to be a little bit different. Again, the principle is exactly the same. You're going to hit copy and resize and you're going to hit a copy. What should we do with that? I reckon we could put these at the top. Actually, do you know what? I think they're going to look much better at the bottom on a story because of the shape of that. And we could put this at the top. And then what you could do is you could have in your mind something like in the middle here, you could know that when you're going to upload it to Instagram, you're going to put a sticker here of perhaps which colour do you like best or something like that. And very easily, we've just resized that and we've got a completely different post for your Instagram story. As before, if you want to use it, let's give it a name. Let's call it Instagram Stories. Lipstick launch. And then as before, you're just going to click download it, and then you'll have it there and ready to use. So that's 3 very simple techniques that you can use to make your social media look great.